Good. Yes, it's good. It shows that there's been some kind of understanding between the two tribes, and that is something to applaud. Yes. Yes. Good. This has been a teacher of GS Mbam Oku. Thank you very much, my dear sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah. And now this is CBC Church in Mbam Oku, and you can see the building, and close to it is the pastor's residence. And as you can see in the background, there are some hills, maybe like far up there in the, how do you call that other side?
I don't have an idea.
Okay.
A new person in a place.
Okay, good. Then if I can scan a little bit into the hills of Ngwak in Mbam Oku, and going closer, I can go closer, and you can see the good vegetation of the area. And as I go along, you see the vegetation continues to the far side. You can see the school building and the other side. And as I go down, you can see the Noni country, or the Din tribe. Good. It's been a pleasure talking to you one more time.
Thank you.
Yes. Yeah.